In this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign a fixed function to the rotaries on a DiGiCo SD series console. Hey, my name's Bram and welcome to Mono SoundLab. On a DiGiCo SD console, the encoders below the screen are in most cases aux or penpods by default. However, we can generally assign other functions to them quite easily. We press and hold the button next to the rotary LED screen and then select the function we want the rotaries to be on the screen, like for example, high pass filter, compressor threshold, or penpods. Once we've selected that function, you can see that the whole encoder row changed to it. We can switch between the default function and the assigned function by pressing the button next to the rotary LED screen. I need to make one remark here. On SD consoles with a quick select function like an SD5, 9 or an SD12 like we have here, the top row is always linked with the quick select buttons. So there's no use in changing the function of that row. That's how you change the function of the rotary knobs on a DiGiCo console. If you have any other questions or a topic for the next video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I hope to see you next time. Bye.